Okay, winter 2017, final, problem 5, algorithms. I actually like this question. So, so a music critic completes an article for a magazine and realizes that he has confused two musicians, Jay-Z and Kanye. Before submitting the article, he needs to change all occurrences of Jay-Z to Kanye and all occurrences of Kanye to Jay-Z. The critic will use the fact that the word hoser does not appear anywhere in the article. Which of the following algorithms can be used to accomplish the music critic's goal? Circle all that are correct. So for me, my first assumption is, well, this A's got to be it, right? Why do I even got to be it, right? It's just switch Jay Z to Kanye and Kanye to Jay Z. But then I kind of had a pause and like, why am I giving this information? The critic will use the fact that the word hosier, does not appear anywhere in the article. So it kind of gives me a clue. They probably won't give me any superfluous any information that I don't need. Probably this is the key to answering this question. So that's my first thought. I'm gonna have to use this piece of information to answer this completely for all the 4 marks. Um, so, but my first thought was like, oh, why do I need to do that? I just do Control F, select, and then all, and then replace. Do the replace function like you do in Microsoft Word. So let's see how that would work for A. So if I said Kanye and Jay-Z had a Twitter war over who had the best clothing line. Okay, let's use the first one. Jay-Z goes to Kanye. Bam. And then Kanye goes to Jay-Z. Oh no. Jay-Z and Jay-Z had a Twitter war over who had the best clothing line. Doesn't seem like right. So my first one, yeah. So I'm gonna have to use hoser as an intermediate to make sure that my names don't all get retraced or overwritten. Let's look at the second one. First, change all occurrences to Jay-Z to Kanye, and then Kanye to Jay-Z. And so it doesn't really work as an intermediate. I'm kind of thinking it has to be intermediate in order to work. Hoser seems to be at the end, so I don't know if that will work. How about C? First, change all occurrences of Jay-Z to hoser. And then Kanye to Jay-Z. And then back to hoser to Kanye. That looks right. Just in case, let's look at the other ones. Okay, first occurrences is to Jay-Z to hoser. And hoser to Kanye. And then Kanye to Jay-Z. Doesn't work. Everybody becomes Jay-Z. Jay-Z had a Twitter war over who had the best clothing line. That seems like something that he would say in one of his songs, actually. Anyways, okay, so season 1. I think the main takeaway of this is actually instead of trying to, what's the word? Try to figure out the question in your mind. Write it out. Write out an example, and try to go through the algorithm step by step and see if it gives you your desired result. I think that's the only way. I think there's no magic bullet for this one. You're just going to have to go through. You can make some inferences just because they gave you this information. You probably need it. And also this one, you probably just cross off your mind because it doesn't have this pertinent information. So one of these 3 will probably have to be your final 3, and then you're going to have to just go through each one step by step to see if it gives you